Okay, we're at the Naval Aviation Museum in Pensacola, Florida.
Yep, here's
Take
an
it.
elevator right here. This one's such a big one. We are gonna go 4-1. We have no access to 3, so we'll go 1. Ready?
It has a great customization, doesn't it?
It is.
What do you think, Bryce?
Such a big elevator. Yeah. Now we're gonna go up. Listen to the motor. Listen to it. Still have no access to 3.
No, no access to 3.
Let's take one more ride. Such a big elevator. Whoa.
It's national. I think that's the manufacturer.
Whoa.
Okay, people are coming on. Come on in.
Come on in. We're taking a video.
Oh, okay.
You need 3?
I think
Can't do
2.
3, Bryce.
Oh, can't do 3.
Yeah.
There we go.
Okay, and this is our last one up, okay?
What's the, you see it in the shop?
I'm his videographer. I'll let them get out first, okay?
It's kind of fun to do
Pizza.
more. I guess we should make the video more fun.
Well, I think we're good. Daddy's waiting for us, okay?
No, it's fine. Let's do one more. One thing.
Okay. Do we agree this will be the last one?
No, I'm like
Because we're gonna see Daddy, you're gonna go down and then up, and then we're getting out and checking out the
Yes.
second floor, okay?
Yes.
Cool.
very fast.
All right. What would you like to say to end it?
Please like and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 1,000. Bye, everyone.